In this video, I will show you how to create video from image. This is a new AI feature by Filmora. Open the Filmora app and then click on Image to Video. In this screen, you can see there is an image import option and a text box to add the type of video you want to create. Below the TXT box, you have many predefined templates. Let's scroll the template and look for all the template that's available. The most popular ones are AI Hug, AI Kiss, AI Fight. In the bottom, we have Advanced Mode. This mode will take a long to render out the video, but it will be of higher quality. Let's import the image first. Now let's choose AI Hug template. You can add any specific details if you want. I will click on Generate. This will take few seconds to complete. This is the final output. This looks really good. This is the easiest way to turn your image to your video. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Subscribe to this channel for more such video.